lifts the old bag to the light. Dust dances as it takes its flight. Sunshine pours through open air, revealing what was hidden there. She breathes out what she held too long, old stories that once felt so strong. Now they fade beneath the glow, making space for life to flow. Let the light in, let it clear the past. Let the weight go, free your heart at last. When you open what you used to hide, you find new strength rise inside. Each memory held inside that bag once felt heavy like a dragging snack, but sunlight softens every seam and turns release into a gentle gleam. She knows that change begins with air, with honesty and simple care. By lifting what she feared to see, she opens doors to clarity. Let the light in, let it clear the past. Let the weight go, free your heart at last. When you open what you used to hide, you find new strength rise inside. A brighter path appears when